Filed an I-130 and still waiting? You're not alone. If months have passed and you're seeing no progress, you might be wondering, is my case delayed, stuck, or forgotten? In this video, we'll unpack what's really going on with I-130 petitions in 2025, why delays are happening, and what you can do next. What is the I-130? The I-130 is the first step to help a family member immigrate to the U.S. filed by a U.S. citizen or green card holder. It's the foundation of family-based immigration. But here's a reality check. Approval doesn't mean a visa is ready. It just means USCIS recognizes the family relationship. After that, your case moves to the National Visa Center, NVC, and that's where the waiting really begins. Why delays are worse in 2025? The 2025 immigration system is under enormous strain. Here's what's causing the backlog. USCIS staff shortages. NVC overwhelmed by approved petitions. Limited embassy appointments. Country-specific restrictions and new Trump-era travel bans. Heightened security screening like social media checks and extra document vetting. Every step in the pipeline is under pressure, slowing down even routine cases. How long you might wait? Your wait depends on your relationship and whether you're a U.S. citizen or green card holder. Here's what the timeline looks like now. For U.S. citizens, spouse or child under 21, 10 to 30 months. Parent, 18 to 36 months. Unmarried child over 21, 60 to 128 months. Married child, 60, 130 plus months. Sibling, up to 17 years. For green card holders, spouse, 50 to 89 months. Unmarried child, any age 50 to 95 months. Green card holders cannot sponsor parents or siblings. You'll need to naturalize first. If you're from a banned country, yes, you can still file an I-130. But after approval, your case sits in limbo at the NVC. Embassy interviews are frozen. No visas issued until bans are lifted. Exception: some spousal cases may get a humanitarian waiver. If the applicant has dual citizenship, consider a different consulate. How to track your case. Go to USCIS.gov, enter your 13-digit receipt number in the Check Case Status tool. Once approved, monitor your priority date using the monthly visa bulletin from the Department of State. Can you speed it up? Sadly, no premium processing exists for I-130s. Expedites are rare and only for life or death emergencies. But here's what you can do. Respond quickly to RFEs. Submit complete, correct documentation. Keep passports and records updated and ready. Track your priority date monthly. Be ready when your time comes. Should you explore alternatives? Yes, if your family member qualifies. Some quicker paths include EB, 2 NIW, or EB, 1A green cards for skilled individuals. H, 1B, or L, 1 work visas. Adjustment of status if the person is already in the U.S. Not for everyone, but worth exploring if your case is buried in the family backlog. Common questions in 2025. My case hasn't moved in a year. Is it stuck? Probably not. Long waits are normal now. Can my relative visit the U.S. while waiting? They can apply for a tourist visa, but it's difficult if USCIS sees an intent to immigrate. Can we switch consulates? Only if your relative has dual nationality or legal residency elsewhere. Final thoughts. Filing an I-130 is still a powerful first step. It locks in your priority date and gets your family in line. But don't sit idle. Stay updated. Keep documents ready. Consult an attorney for alternatives. And most importantly, don't give up. If this breakdown helped you understand your case better, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next alert. Thanks for watching USA Alert Zone. See you in the next video.